everybody, especially the lovers, the followers of Mpuken TV podcast. We are here today to let you know the information about the significant visitors of Mpuken TV podcast, like the one next to me. Good morning, Madam Speaker. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very tranquil, madam. We are right here with this lady, which I cannot even reveal his name, but she is here. She's going to elaborate whatsoever about her. Please tell the people who are you and why are you here
I
today?
need a drum roll.
I can even sing for them before you.
Sanbonani, what's up, beautiful people? This is your girl, Wezile, the princess.
Yes. Wezile the princess, how are you? Very, very good. Allow me to ask you, very nice, because you know why? I just want the followers and the listeners to listen and to hear and to understand and to subscribe and to love also,
Yep.
and to get to be motivated because of you.
Okay.
You are in the music industry.
Yes.
You are an artist
Yes.
under hip hop.
Yes.
Who told you or who advised you to start this thing?
Yeah, long story short. So now I started doing music in 2017.
Okay.
I was in grade 12.
2017, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's when I started recording my two singles, Golden Miner and The Realist. How it all started, you know how we influenced each other as school kids.
Yes, you are right.
So it was like, hey, Wezile, you know you got talent. I'm like, what kind of a talent? They're like, the way you speak, man, like you always speak.
How did they get that talent of yours?
Because Anisha, they were like, hey man, you like to talk when. How about you write it down? And I was like, guys, serious? Okay, no, let me do this. And then, you know, there's this Backroom Studios. I went there. This guy. Yeah, so this guy, Lirwa, he was like, listen, I have a beat for you. You better like let beats spawn Gucci and Zanjan. So I was like, oh, okay, let me write something. I wrote. There were some words.
In class?
Yes, in class.
Okay.
I was like, okay.
And in matric?
Yes, I was in matric, writing my final exams. Yes.
Imagine.
And then I went there, I did my thing. He was like, okay, I was a bit scared, I was a bit nervous. I was like, no man, just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. You got this. Let's do this. That's how the love started. That's how I fell in love with hip hop music.
Okay. Or since from 2017 up to date.
Up to today.
But it seems like in the middle of that process of music industry, you have written something. You said you are not recognizable. Why do you say that?
I've been an upcoming artist since from then. But then I feel like a fan base, you know, I do have a fan base, but I feel like you get recognized with the number of likes, number of followers.
Yes.
And if you don't have such, it's like, even if I know I'm talented, but due to fan base, they're going to be like, we don't know who she is, so...
You know?
Yeah, until I pose with Casper and them, then they're gonna be like, oh, okay, so that is Wezile. Okay, let me follow.
Oh, what's this? That?
Yeah. No. I'm saying until you pose with such big people.
Such, okay.
Until you with them, then that's how I feel you can be recognized.
Is that why you are saying you are still growing?
Yes, I'm still.
Are you still growing?
I'm still growing. I'm still learning more. You know, I still get negative feedback, positive feedback. But again, what can I say? I'm doing this for the love of music. So even if the feedback is negative, it's fine. I'll continue growing.
That's amazing. Where did you get this lane of saying you are an African uprising superstar?
Okay, that name I gave it to myself because I know I'm a superstar. You see, once I get recognized, I know I'm gonna be a superstar. I know for a fact. Yeah, so we're still saying, yeah, I'm African rising superstar. Yes, that's me.
Yes.
I know I'm gonna be a star. I always say this to myself: Wezile the princess, you're gonna be a star. One day is one day.
And you said this year we are enkani in the music industry.
Inside.
And you seem
I'm
like
fighting.
you are quite content and you are precisely sure about your utterances that you are gaining
100%.
left or right. You are going there. You are sure about that.
I mean, I write my own music.
Uh-huh.
Papa, that talent. I mean, hello. I write my own music.
But,
so, Yabona, if you're an artist, okay, from my side, if you're an artist and you write your own music, You deserve a crown.
It's dope.
You deserve a crown. You deserve a crown.
You know that you deserve that, and you started things a long time ago. Please, I want you to encourage some people like yourself. Those some are precisely not happy. They are even giving up because they've got no followers. This and that. But you are being followed, but not to that point. But you're still saying you are that princess, and you're going there, and you're going to win. What gives you this power and understanding? Why are you wrapping your mind so significantly that indeed you're going to succeed?
Anisha, doing music is what I love.
Yeah. For
an example, Anisha, when you're getting up in the morning and going to work, and then you're like, I don't like this.
Yes, that's me. Yes.
Like, what are you doing there if it's not something that you love? What are you doing there? Because obviously, you're gonna be like, you know what? I'm done. I quit. So, I'm doing it for the love of music. I want it so badly. That's how I wanted music. Like, I know for the love of music. That's why I get up every day and I'm like, okay, I gotta work for my music because music makes me music and everything.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
You love music. Madam Speaker, I've seen you on social media, on the stages, very, quite attracting and nice stages. Singing, doing all those stuff. But now you're going to tell us that you are not recognizable. It's a lie.
It's a lie. For me,
it's not a lie, but it sounds like it is because too many people are behind your back when you're dancing on the stage. Why are they not following?
I think but in Ekas, maybe if I can go somewhere else, maybe I can get support. But Ekas, sometimes we don't really come together and support talent and everything. No, so that's why I feel like with talent jam is not being recognized. Ekas.
Maybe at that place.
Yeah.
You don't perhaps think maybe it's because of South Africa the way it is.
There are people that support. They say you get support from a stranger, from someone that you don't know. Out of nowhere, the person is liking your work and everything. Yes,
I am supporting you now. Yes,
Thank you. You get support from a stranger, but from neighbor wako, you will never get support from them because you're gonna like, she's gonna make it and she's gonna think she's better than me. Never.
That's true. Whenever you post, your video or anything now on especially on TikTok.
Yep.
It comes even straight to me. It tells me, hey, the princess is speaking here.
This is here.
And I watch, and I always looking you behind your house there at home there, busy doing this. You are quite active. You are very active.
Which behind are we looking at?
No. I'm not talking about the posterior. No. At the back of the house there. You used to be there. Wezile, I'm absolutely flabbergasted. I don't understand why in this country failing, to get to be recognizable. I don't understand why it is so difficult. You guys have got talent. You're doing it the most. You can even jump. People can look at you and say, this one cannot jump. You see, you are doing things. I've seen you. Can you please tell me and the Mpuken TV podcast followers and the supports which stage or which the better and the affirmative stage have you ever been? And then you are still recalling, but that stage, it was so dope. Where were you? When?
In Germiston.
In Germiston.
Oh,
when was that?
When was that?
Fine, no problem.
Okay.
What's
yeah, the support I got. Yazi, sometimes us as upcoming artists, into esipa that vavavoom thing is the audience.
Yeah.
So I know you guys don't know me, but when you maybe feel the beat, start moving, like energy, give me energy. So the audience, when they give you that energy, you feel like, no man, I got this. I got it.
Yeah, wearing all black,
Yes. How better I'm on stage? I need to give. I'm getting you paid to come and sing. Okay, you guys didn't pay, but you paid to come sing, right? So I have to give you that show. Yes, I have to give you a show. So if it means I have to stretch, I will do it.
Were you just going there voluntarily or?
I was called. They were like, "Where's Zile the Princess? Do you want to come through? Like, just showcase your talent?" I was like, "Yes, for free." I was like, okay, let me just go there. I don't know how the audience is gonna react. Let me just go. I went there.
Were you hesitating?
Not even. I wasn't even wearing sneakers.
Okay.
Yeah. So get up and go because I was thinking, man. You know, it's just so I'm not even gonna get the love from the. Yeah, when I got there, I had to grab it on my toes like this, because I was dancing. I wanted to know, man. The ladies here, the ladies are really showing the bam bam. So I have to do something.
Even today, when I've seen you in the first place when I arrived here, I said, "Wow, it's her." I loved and I understand and I loved your music to the core. From my own phone, watching each and every day. Even in my phone right now, I've got more than 20 videos of yours. What? And the pictures also. You were sitting on the BMWs doing whatsoever. I know those things. And I've seen you in the most expensive cars sitting. I used to say, hey, this lady, she's already there, man.
She's already there. Don't you know, I've got friends. I've got friends who drive nice cars, yeah. I'll be like, listen, I'm going to fake it until you make it.
Yeah.
So I faked it for you. You didn't even know.
And it worked.
It worked, yeah. So it was like that. So I've got friends with cars, with nice cars. So I'll be like, guys, I'm shooting. Please come through. And they'll be like, okay, cool. You can use my car. Yeah, well.
Okay. Are you working, madam?
Oh yes, I'm working.
You are working.
Yes.
Does the music and the working department?
The income is to support my music. That's why I'm working.
Is it?
Yes.
Or you are working because it is convenient for you to grow up the music.
Yes, and to also support my daughter.
And to support your daughter.
Yes.
What is it? What is the short and the concise message can you tell the viewers, please? What must they do? I just want to start my own music and do something very significant and a palpable intent to other people, but I give up. What must I do? Yeah, what must someone who is precisely about to give up in music because South African they are not supporting, or perhaps their own society. What must happen?
Okay. Remember why you started in the first place? Like I said, if it's something that you love, you give up.
Yeah.
For an example, John.
Yeah.
Even
when it is difficult.
Yes, you will stick there. But in the 90s gang is the Begazelling gang. You will Begazel until you make it.
Yeah,
that's
even if it's hard, it's difficult, you just keep on going.
Begazel, put the nails, fuck the nails.
Are you Begazelling in the music industry?
I'm still Begazelling.
You're still Begazelling?
I'm still Begazelling until my day comes. I know it's gonna come.
I hope you're enjoying Mpuken TV podcast. We are not alone here. We are with our the palpable, intense, significant, supercalifragilistic Madam Speaker here. You're so important, and we also thank you so much for choosing us, coming to us here at Mpuken TV podcast. It's very important. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Support the black person. We are not done. I'm still here. What do you want to say without no question? Say something.
Okay, can I say something?
Yes,
what
please.
What can I say? Guys, please continue to support Wezile the Princess of Trap. Like my page, it's Wezile the Princess on Facebook. And please do follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It's Wezile the Princess.
Wezile the Princess. If you don't want to say Wezile the Princess, it's just say the Wezile Aka. Single and mingle.
Yeah.
Wezile, you go on the screens, man. You go on the stage. Wezile, how are you? I'm just greeting you again because there is no time frame here. When to greet, when to talk.
Exactly.
I don't know, Wezile. I don't know, but I just wish, I'm saying these utterances from the bottom of my heart. I wish all what you want in the music industry becomes palpable, significant, and true, and you succeed. Wherever you go, please. I know very well from the bottom of. I know how serious you are in this thing,
Very serious.
and I know how active you are in this thing, and I know. Are you okay?
So can I just it? So it's true when they say you don't know who's watching.
Come in.
You don't know who's watching, hey?
Yes.
Like I'm surprised when you're saying that you have been following me. Like I'm happy. Actually, it makes me happy. That's why they say keep on doing what you do.
My girlfriend and I, we follow the Wesley.
Know who's watching. Guys, I'm happy.
Yeah, you
Really
know,
happy.
wherever you are, even right here, wherever you go outside, you do a short clip, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are coming to you. Please never give up. You must do this thing, superfluously indefatigable. Do not give up. It's very significant and let me tell you something. This one is a very clear message to you and suitable. You are the type of music industry. And in the first place, I thought you are singing these songs that what kind of song that you used to post with them and this song. Yes, those songs.
Hey, I am such a pinga. Like I
love this. Yes,
I love Maskandi. I should have been a Maskandi artist, but it's fine.
I don't have it now. I'm gonna play it now. There is this thing, Kido music. Is that Kido music or whatsoever? Which one is that the name of your song? Yeah, it's Kido. Is that the name of the song?
Miss Kido, she's the boss. The one where I was twerking on.
No, please, come on. Start afresh. It says, sing it, please.
Okay, Miss Kido, she's the boss, hey. You don't wanna work with her, yeah, she's the boss, hey,
Let me tell you something, You are such a dope. For what now?
I know, the words you are saying.
No.
I'm like, okay.
Now you're being inconventional. Don't do that.
Askis.
Mpoken TV podcast. Ladies, gentlemen, please listen very carefully. Support, love, follow. Try by all means to put your energy to make sure that the black person, at least they come to another level. Please. Can you tell them? Just say please.
Please, guys, please do support us as upcoming artists. We really appreciate the support.
Thank you very much. Until we meet again. Dupes. Someone who is precisely about to give up in music because South African, they are not supporting, or perhaps their own society. What must happen?
Okay. Remember why you started in the first place? Like I said in your recording, if it's something that you love, you give up.
Yeah.
For an example, John.
Yeah.
Even
when it is difficult.
Yes, you will stick there. But in the 90s gang is the Begazelling gang. You will Begazel until you make it. Yeah, that's
even,
like
even if it's hard, it's difficult, you just keep on going.
Begazel, put the nails, fuck the nails.
Are you Begazelling in the music industry?
I'm still Begazelling.
You're still Begazelling.
I'm still Begazelling until my day comes. I know it's gonna come.
I hope you're enjoying Mpoken TV podcast. We are not alone here. We are with our the palpable, intense, significant, supercalifragilistic Madam Speaker here. You are so important, and we also thank you so much for choosing us, coming to us here at Mpoken TV podcast. It's very important. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care, support the black person. We are not done, I'm still here. What do you want to say without no question? Say something.
Okay, can I say something?
Yes,
what
please.
What can I say? Guys, please continue to support Wesley the Princess of Trap. Like my page, it's Wesley the Princess on Facebook. And please do follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It's Wesley the Princess.
Wesley the Princess. If you don't want to say Wesley the Princess, it's just say the Wesley Aka Single and Mingle. Wesley, you go on the screens, man. You go on the